1. App download and installation. You can download the app in 2 ways. 1. Download from the App Store. 2. Scan the QR code. Method 1. Download from the App Store. Search SJCAM X in the App Store. Find the app shown in the video and download it. Method 2. Scan the QR code. Scan the QR code with your phone. Then you'll be taken to the app download page. Tap Download to install the app. 2. App connection. The C100 Pro supports 2 ways to connect to the app. 1. Bluetooth Quick Connect. 2. Manual connection. Bluetooth Quick Connect. Enable Bluetooth in your phone's settings. Open the SJCAM X app and select Bluetooth connection. Tap Connect Camera and wait for the connection. Once the live view appears, the connection is successful. Manual connection. Enable Wi-Fi in your phone's settings. Swipe down on the camera screen and locate the C100 Pro Wi-Fi name. Tap the corresponding Wi-Fi network, then enter the default password 12345678. Tap Join. Exit Settings and open the SJCAM X app. Tap Enter Camera. Once the live view appears, the connection is successful.